Are you ready for Christmas? Today, I bring to you this DIY Christmas ornament tutorial. Hi, it's Vilma for Redesign with Prima. I'm using the Bright Baubles Decor Molds as well as Timeless Ties. These are amazing molds and awesome to create beautiful ornaments with endless design possibilities. I'm casting this time clear resin, and as you know, you will need equal parts of A and B liquids. Forward to mix it very well until fully combined. Be sure to wear gloves, work in a ventilated area, and protect your surface. Pour the clear resin into half of Bright Baubles molds and full on Timeless Ties. I'm using a wood stick, or you can use a toothpick to guide the resin into intricate mold areas. For the design, I'm using microbeads in gold champagne and a gold color. I'm adding some of these small beads into the clear resin. This is so simple as you were adding salt to your food. I'm starting with the gold champagne, which is the light color, and ending with the gold shade. By adding these small beads, we are creating a dimensional look that we can see it through the clear resin. I will let it set the resin of Bright Baubles for 2 to 3 hours. I come back after 3 hours and I cast another portion of clear resin to fulfill the molds. Now I'm making sure all my resin is getting into all the edges of the molding. And after pouring the top of the molds, I'm adding more micro beads into the resin. This will be creating a 3D optical vision in your ornaments. You can start by the light color or the darker color, whatever you want. You can also use in other colors. This kit of the microbeads comes in 6 different color shades. Now let your molds cure completely overnight. Once cured, demold your ornaments and ties. You can remove easily the excess of edges with your hands or use some scissors. And look how beautiful and perfect came out these decor molds. Now for the design, I'm using House of the Mask gold foil transfer. I'm cutting small pieces of the transfer, and with my nail, I'm just marking the part where I need to cut, and then it will fit on my ornament pretty good. These transfer foils are very easy to use. Just like the traditional transfer, remove the back of the transfer and rub on with a good stick and reveal your transfer. Now I'm adding some gold leafing to the backs. It gives it a beautiful glow, and I started by adding gilding glue very evenly to your back of your ornaments. What you want to do with gilding glue is applying with the brush as evenly as possible and set it aside for a few minutes. I'm using Catch a Gold Leaf imitation, and it comes in a pack of 25 sheets. I like to gently take one of the sheets and place it over the back of the moldings very carefully. I'm also using a synthetic soft brush to set the gold leaf onto the mold by tapping very carefully. I'm setting this aside till the gold leaf gets set. Don't remove the gold leaf excess right away. Now I'm taking out very carefully the excess from around the edges and saving these small parts of gold leafing for later. to seal the transfer and give it the real glow to the clear matte resin mold, I'm adding this time a nail top coat, but you can use a clear top coat sealer. And what you want to do is apply evenly over all your moldings. Now I'm using the Finnabair Spark paint in Dragon's Eye over the top and the bottom molds of the Bright Baubles and to the Timeless Ties molds. What this paint do is stay on the resin permanently, which is great. Just add a light layer. You don't need to add a lot. This paint goes a very long way, and because you already had the gold leaf to the back, so it's not necessary to add extra coats to full coverage. And you will see how shimmery and sparkle it is, and those another dimension to the ornament itself. Now for my ties, I didn't apply any gilding glue. Instead, I went over my fresh coat of spark paint and applied the gold leafing beads that I have from applying to the back of the ornament. With the same brush, I'm tapping all over the molds and let it sit to release the excess. I'm doing the same process for the rest of the ornaments, applying the transfer, gold leaf, sealing the transfer, painting the top and the bottom ornaments, and the Timeless Ties molds. Now I'm attaching a gold string, but you can add any other ribbon. And ending by using a quick and strong adhesive glue to attach the small ties moldings to the ornaments. I hope you really like this tutorial and see what you can create. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel today. See you in another flip.